Do you have a fear of coronavirus and you don't know how to fight with coronavirus? If you have all these questions in your mind, so I will gonna provide you some information and tips which really can help you to fight with this coronavirus. So please watch this video till the end. Before we starting this video, let's talk about the coronavirus. Why this came in our society? Because we are not following rules of nature and we are eating those animals which we not supposed to eat. We are destroying our mother nature and we are living a very bad lifestyle, and this is the reason we slow down our immunity, and that's why we are illness. As a society, we are eating right now just too much of packaging food, junk food. We are not doing exercise and we are not taking sunlight, fresh air, and we are sitting whole day in home. That's why your immunity is slowed down. Immune system is best defense mechanism of your body, which can protect from you bacteria, germs and viruses. And we can, in simple way, we can say that it's a doctor which is sitting in your inside. If your immunity is low, then you more gone chances to effect of coronaviruses. Let me give you an example. For example, 6 people walking in road and 3 people are okay and 3 of become sick. They gonna cold and fever. So what do you understand? They got equal amount of rain, same rain, but 3 people are sick and 3 people are okay. Why this has happened? Just because of immunity. Because immunity is down, you have more got chances of illness. Like the same way, those who have a strong immunity, they have a less chances of affected of coronavirus, and those who have a low immunity, they have more chances of infected of coronaviruses. So you have to make it strong immunity power. So let's discuss in this video about 7 habits which are damaging your immunity. As you know very well that in my previous video I have already discussed you about my 15 tips which can improve your immunity, but now in this video we are discussing about 7 major things which are damaging your immunity. Tip number 1, high sugary food. As you know about very well that high sugary food reduce your immunity power just because of refined sugar. I'm talking about the refined sugar. Refined sugar slow down your immunity and it reduces your white blood cell, and white blood cell helps to fight with bacteria, germs, virus. So white cell is very important, so you have to reduce your refined sugar. It's better you can consume natural source of sugar. You can take in fruits, you can eat jaggery, you can eat coconut sugar, you can eat date sugar. Tip number 2, avoid junk food. You know, junk food is also the main reason of your low immunity, and junk food in highly in fat, and this is the main reason of obesity. Obesity can affect your white blood cell to multiply and produce antibodies, and you know also that saturated fat also slow down your immunity. Tip number 3, late sleep or less sleep. Sleeping also is the main reason of your low immunity. A adult person should be sleep as 7 to 8 hours is required, and numerous study and research shown that slow down of your less sleep or late sleep can infect your immunity. So you have to maintain your sleep timing, and you have to sleep 7 to 8 hours. Tip number 4, avoid too much alcohol consumption. In WHO and US Surgeon General also tell people that you have to avoid too much consumption of alcohol, because you know alcohol damage your lots of things in your body. First, it's impact your digestive system, it slow down your immunity, and it's infect your inflammatory systems. Tip number 5, less consumption of water. Water is very essential things for a human body, and you know, without water there is no life. In each and every adult should consume 3 to 4 liter water at daily basis, and the water really helps to well function of your body system. It can help to reduce your stress level, it well function of your system, it's calm your central nervous system, weight loss, and increase your metabolism. So you have to require 3 to 4 liter daily basis of water. And if you can add something which I can recommend to you, 3 cup of hot water. You want to drink, you have to add 3 cup of hot water. Tip number 6, exercise and yoga. And you know very well in exercise and yoga how much can help to boost your immunity, and you have to be at daily basis exercise and yoga in daily your life. And just because of you doing exercise and yoga, it's improve your digestive system, and it can release out your stress and some other benefits which is very important for you. So you have to do as much as you can do exercise and yoga in the morning and evening, whatever your time is suitable for you, you can start doing it. Exercise, I already recommend to you about in 3 exercises to you. Push-ups, how many push-ups you want to do, you can do. Second is you can do burpees, and third one is plank. It's all up to you. It's very easy, you don't need to go outside, you can do at your home. Tip number 7, not having vegetables. You know, vegetables are a very good source of vitamins, and vitamins are really important for your bodies. Vitamin A, B, C, D, whatever, you have to eat green vegetables. Vegetables increase your immunity just because of its have a content of good source of vitamins, and vitamins are really help for your body function and brain function also. So start eating a good amount of green vegetables. If you want to add, I think I can recommend for you 2 times a daily green vegetables in your diet. And your diet play a very important role for your boost your immunity. So please take care about your diet. Please include your green vegetables, and you will get lots of vitamins, and vitamins play in very important part of role for you to boost your immunity and well function of your body. Please give me in comments down below so that I have to know I can answer it to your question. So see you in next video. Jai Hind.